and welcome to ISB. Today I am Ronak Soni back again for fun with learning. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Continuing with our word of the day series, today's word is
clock. We spell this word as C-L-O-C-K. Let's look at its definition. An instrument that shows the time. Let's make a sentence using this word. The clock struck 12 and the crowd started singing happy birthday to the birthday girl.
Moving ahead, this is the time for ISB news update. So, be alert. First of all, Team ISB is very happy to announce that we are reaching to every corner of the country. DPS from Dehradun, Rani Public School from Kerala, Indus Valley World School from Kolkata and Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vihar School, Indore has participated in ISB competitions. And secondly, the ISB competition held at St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School at New Delhi, and the winners have been announced. And the winners are
from Group 1, Rihan Malhotra. From Group 2, Raghav Talwar. From Group 3, Samit Bansal. From Group 4, Hriday Sharma. And from Group 5, Shreya Salhotra.
Moving ahead, like every day, today also I am going to tell you about an interesting fact about English language so that you can be a storehouse of knowledge.
Did you know bloviate refers to people who talk for a long period of time or who inflate their story to make themselves sound better?
Well, I'm so sure that you must have seen some of the typos in your daily life which results into sarcastic humor situation. Well, if not, just have a look here. Now you know why you all must be very specific about English vocabulary and its spelling and what could happen if you do it wrong. So, this much for today's fun session. I'll come back again for fun with learning. And do not forget to hit the like button and comment on it and share it with your friends. Till then, keep spelling, keep learning. Bye-bye.